Hey team, it's Marty, and I'm going to show you how to make a super easy kids crossword in Canva. We're going to use Peppa Pig as a subject. So to start off with, in Canva Home, you can just go Create and search for Worksheet and Portrait. That would just create a standard Canva design in the shape of a page that you can print out. Now from here, if you want to add a crossword, you just head to Apps and you type Crossword. And I like to use Crossword AI. Now, the cool thing about this app is that you can just type in any topic you want and it will create the words and the clues for you. So first of all, let's start by removing each of these words, and then we can type in Peppa Pig in the described theme or topic. So this is going to go off to AI, get the words, get the clues, and give us a crossword that we can add to our design. So here it is. And from here we can kind of like tweak the clues and remove things if we don't want them. So like we basically have full control over the crossword. But let's say that we want this one, and maybe this one is a little bit too large, so we'll make it a bit smaller, maybe somewhere in between, so we can actually customize it in custom size. And then when we're ready, what we'll do is we'll just add it to design. But actually before we do that, let's click Show Solution, and that will give you an idea of what it is that the crossword's going to be. It won't necessarily use all the words, it will just try to fit what words it has into the size you chose. So then we click Add to Design, and it's added 4 things to the design. It's added the clues for across and down. It's added the solution, and it's added the crossword. So we can make this crossword nice and big. And with the solution, what we'll do is we'll just turn it upside down so it's harder to read and make it a little bit smaller. And then for across and down, let's just make these the same size. So 10 is fine. And we can customize the font to be something a little bit more playful. And a bit larger. Wow, that's a little bit too playful. Okay, that's better. So then we've got the across and the down, the crossword, and this upside down. Now, you might notice that this is a little bit blurry. Like if we zoom in, the 7 isn't very clear. So what you might need to do is scroll down to the bottom of Crossword Creator and change the quality to print quality. Fair warning, it's going to become huge for a second when we click update. But from there we can size it down and drag it into our canvas. So there you go, we've got a Peppa Pig crossword puzzle ready to print out. You can print it with Canva, or you can just print it with your normal printer and hand it out at the next kid's birthday party. I'm Marty, and I do a lot of crossword and maze videos about Canva. So if you're interested in doing activity books or worksheets, follow this channel and I'll keep those videos coming. Until next time, see you later.